about these components of the laser devices. In laser, what are the various components are involved that we are going to study here. I have made this diagram. Here the laser, first is the laser medium. Laser medium should be either it should be a gas type of medium, gas, it may be solid or it may be liquid depending upon the type of the laser we are using. Okay, in which we need a stimulation emission. Laser medium is that medium in which we need a stimulation emission, because stimulation emission is the heart of a laser. मतलब वो वाला मीडियम जिसमें स्टिमुलेशन एमिशन पॉसिबल हो, जिसमें मेटास्टेबल स्टेट पॉसिबल हो, वो वाले जो मीडियम्स हम यहाँ पे we will employ that. Got it? And then second part, first part is a pumping. In the laser medium, in the laser component, first part is pumping. Second is laser medium, and third is resonator. So we start with the pumping. We have already discussed the laser medium. We start with the pumping. Pumping. What is the pumping? Pumping is basically creating the N2 greater than N1. What is N1? What is N2? You know, N1 is the number of electrons or particles in the lower ground state, which is stable state, and N2 is the number of particles in the higher excited state, which is a metastable state. Okay. So pumping is the process of achieving higher number of particles or electrons in the metastable state as compared to the stable state ground state. Okay, so that stimulation emission is possible. Okay, so I define it like that. So this is your ground state and this is your higher excited state, that is called metastable state. And process of creating or rising number of electrons in the higher states, N2, here this is N1, or making N2 greater than N1 is called pumping. There are a number of methods of pumping. We have already discussed electrical discharge pumping, X-ray pumping, optical pumping, chemical reaction pumping. That we have already discussed in the previous lecture. And the last one is a resonator. Resonator क्या है आप यहाँ पे? Resonator is basically a pair of two mirror which are placed parallel to the axis. Which are placed parallel, which are having a parallel axis. Why we are using a two mirror? Because one mirror. So this is mirror M1 and this is mirror M2 and this is mirror M1. Here we use M2 mirror having a 100% reflection coefficient and M1 mirror having a 50% reflection, 50% transmission. Why 50% transmission? Because we need laser should come out from the mirror M1. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? यहाँ पे हमने 100% ट्रांसमिशन क्यों की? क्योंकि हमें पंपिंग के थ्रू हम स्टिमुलेशन मिशन करवा देते हैं, बट वी रिक्वायर्ड वन फोटोन. हमें एक फोटोन चाहिए जो h म्यू है, दैट विल कॉज स्टिमुलेशन मिशन एंड वी गेट टू फोटोन ऑफ द सेम लेंथ. तो अगर यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, हियर वन फोटोन विल कम आउट and another will again involved in the process of stimulation emission. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, फिर वो फोटोन यहाँ पे स्टिमुलेशन, यहाँ पे फिर लेजर फॉर्म हो जाएगी, फिर हमारे यहाँ पे फोटोन प्रोड्यूस है, यहाँ पे 100% रिफ्लेक्शन आएगी, टू फोटोन यहाँ पे वापस चले जाएंगे. अगेन दे इन्वॉल्व इन द स्टिमुलेशन emission. यहाँ पे फिर 4 निकलेंगे, फिर 4 के 2 बाहर चलेंगे and 2 will again use for the purpose of stimulation emission. ऐसे करते करते हमारे पास जो है एक स्टिमुलेशन फोटॉन्स की एक नंबर ऑफ फोटॉन्स वो जनरेट हो जाएंगे और वो एक कन्फाइंड क्रोमेटिक बीम जो प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. और ये जो प्रोडक्शंस है, दिस इज वेरी इन नैनो माइक्रो सेकंड्स में होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा कम टाइम में ये लेजर फॉर्म होती है. यानी कि आपने बटन प्रेस किया और कन्फाइंड लेजर बन गई। तो उसके बीच का प्रोसेस है ये पूरा का पूरा। गाड़ी में आपका मतलब एक फोटोन यूज कर रहा है, दो फोटोन यूज कर रहा है, फोर फोटोन यूज कर रहा है, 8 फोटोन 8 so on 16 32 and this is the continuous process of creating जब तक हमें एक हायर एनर्जेटिक मोनोक्रोमेटिक बीम प्रोड्यूस की। So this is the basic concept behind the laser and laser making. Now we going to study about the laser action, that is the part of this process. You can stop video live.